Before sunrise, Elena, Marcus, and Priya arrived before everyone else. They built systems, trained teams, and protected relationships through every crisis. Their judgment came from years of solving problems no manual predicted. Then a transformation announcement changed the language inside the company. Experience became cost, while loyalty became a measure of tenure. Soon, managers began delivering carefully scripted restructuring conversations. Strong reviews could sit beside a notice that erased a role. Neutral phrases can hide patterns that deserve careful examination. No one must mention age for possible bias to matter. A career can be reduced to one box and goodbye. The work remained, but the people carrying its memory disappeared. When younger, cheaper replacements inherit duties, the pattern deserves scrutiny. Compare facts with trusted coworkers while protecting confidential information. A company may end a job, but never erase skill. Their resilience created new paths where their judgment could lead. Experience is not obsolete, and people are never disposable.